we've spent almost a year with the ProjectRAID on the drawing board, experimenting with different materials and designs. And today is a very exciting day because finally I get to test the products. And I waited for this for months. So really looking forward to putting the products through a very rigorous test on the track today. Morning. Yes. Morning. Good morning. See you guys.
Sometimes it's hard to focus, just to persevere and just to make it. But everything that's within your grasp, you gotta take it, you gotta go harder. Just dig deeper inside you to find that method, that mode that wants that hunger to survive, just to ride the grind, to take it the way you gotta take it and never stop. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. Can't no one stop me, yeah, bring it in. I came to win, yeah, I came to win.
Let's go kick some dust, boys.
Top down, faded windows tinted. Push it with it, push it to the limit. Top down, faded windows tinted. Push it with it, push it to the limit. Push it with it, push it. Winning so much that they seem wrong. Never gonna lose, that's my theme song. I'm just a kill Billy Jean zone. Back to reality, ain't no one bad as me. See, they be doubting, but I keep on actually pushing, not giving up. That's how I give it up. Pushing, not giving up. That's how I give it up. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. Can't no one stop me, yeah, bring it in. I came to win, yeah, I came to win. Top down, faded windows tinted. Push it with it, push it to the limit. Push it with it, push it to the limit. So much that they seem wrong. Never gon' lose, that's my theme song. I'm just a kill Billy Jean zone. Back to reality, ain't no one bad as me. See, they be doubting, but I keep on actually pushing, not giving up. That's how I give it up. Pushing, not giving up. That's how I give it up. That's how I give it up.
So how are the flex zones on the jacket?
Yeah, jacket's extremely comfortable.
The flex zones were
Flex zones are good.
And with regards to the gloves,
So I've tried both the gloves.
Yeah.
Despite what we have done here in terms of protection, there's no difference in the tactical feel.
So Ashish, this is the third evolved version of this jacket. Is it much better than the previous version?
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's a more athletic fit,
Yes.
being a rally jacket. So if you compare, let's say, to the road jacket, of course this is narrower.
So what are your thoughts on the knuckle protector that?
The placement is good.
Yeah.
I think we've hit the mark on that. Works well. Also doesn't hinder tactical feel.
So Ashish, let's move on to one of the latest versions of the jerseys and the next pair of gloves. So Ashish, was the gear scrutiny okay?
Oh, most definitely. Crash tested for sure.
Yeah.
Things are working well. Couple of minor adjustments, but yeah, you know.
That's what we wanted to hear.
Yes. So intense day and a long day. But it's good to have you guys down here. Firstly, of course, look at the track and have you boys ride with me. But more importantly, just put all the gear to test. That was a long day, starting with the jackets, and then as the heat caught up, testing all our jerseys. Couple of crashes as well, so I guess we got everything that we needed today. So just a few minor tweaks and I think Project Raid is race ready.